Good morning, everybody. Sri Vasavi Grandimanikya Rao BED College. Previously, GMR College of Education, Tadapalligudem, Pedagogy of English. And I am AVGS Lakshmi, the lecturer in Pedagogy of English. This is third semester of B.Ed course and first unit of Pedagogy of English, that is language across curriculum. The objectives of this unit are language learning and education, language across curriculums approach, goals in connection with LAC, why LAC, what does it mean to implement the benefits of a LAC approach. The language learning education, the main points of this is one is takes place in each and every subject in English in school, and second one is central role of language as a subject itself. The language is behind all the subjects in school, whatever the mathematics, science, and social. There is that is explained only in languages. Not only the explanation of the subjects, and language itself is a subject, because the language structures, language capabilities are learning through the language subject itself. Okay, next, LAC approach. It integrates the language learning and content learning. The main approach of the language across curriculum is integration of the language learning and content learning. And second one is focuses on language commanding the teacher responsibility of all subjects. If we have the commanding in language, that is very good advantage to explain the all subjects. Okay, now goals in connection with language across curriculum. First one is importance of language. What are the importance of language? We have to learn the languages skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing, viewing, shaping, watching and moving. All those are very good skills we have to learn in the language. Why LAC? Improving students' learning and result in their subject. Language across curriculum is important. Why? Because improving the students in learning and getting good results in that subject. What it mean to implement a LAC approach? A LAC approach is one is to develop structured, monitored and assessed approach for the successful teaching. Language curriculum approach is to develop structured, monitored and assessed approach for the successful teaching. And the benefits of a LAC approach. The benefits of language curriculum is organizational support in the school, helps to formulate language policy. This is the support from organization in the school. It will help the students some language learning because every organization have some language policies. They are formulating the language policies. So from these also students learn how to communicate the language. Okay, next, teach and more effectively. Teach more effectively. Language is very important to teach effective teaching, whatever it may be the subject or language. Minimize the problems of adjustment to the new language. So many problems are there in new language because we are not adjusted the new language. That's why we are language approach curriculum is helping to adjust the new language. Next, the example of this is history teacher taking the some words to explain the children through suffixes. Example is ism, suffix ism, communism, colonialism. All those are explained by the history through suffixes like ism because of the teacher. When the teacher explains through suffix ism, the children catch the words easily. So this is very good practice of learning the new language. Okay, next, need for communication. The meaning of the communication, the process by which two or more people exchange their ideas or share their ideas, feelings and facts, etc. This is the meaning of the communication. The process is between two people or many. They exchange their ideas, their thoughts and feelings and facts to others is called communication. The etymological meaning of the communication is the communication. The word communication is drawn from communism. The meaning of the communism is common. Was the common from person to person and sender to receiver. This is the meaning of the etymological meaning of the communication. And now the definitions. McQuail. Communication is a process which increases commonality. Various factors contribute, bring about the commonality, the shared symbolic environment and a social relationship. What is the commonality? How will we explain about the commonality? Some are using some words in some way and some are using some other words. But even though the words are different, there is the meaning is common. One person asked, "Are you serious?" The other, "No, I am very furious." What is the meaning of serious here? And what is the meaning of furious here? The expressions, whatever they all have, the meaning is same, but the usage is different. Even though the usage is different, the meaning of the words are common. Again, one more example. Hello, look at the sunset. It is looking like a golden orange color. Oh, the other said, oh, no, it is mixing the bloody yellow color in red blood color. The feelings are different. The expressions are different, even though they described the sunset. They have almost they are in common background, but their expressions are different. Those are the somewhat different, but even though their feelings are common. One more example, it is equal to. He is equal to. This is the symbol for a mathematics symbol. Do you know it? It is mathematics symbol. It is equal to. The other person said, no, it's two parallel lines. It may be the parallel lines, but we are using in mathematics, it is equal to. Whatever in the left side is equal to whatever in right side. This is the somewhat difference in meaning, but their telling their feelings are different. And next one, Rogers and Shoemaker in 1971. They said it is the process by which messages are transferred from the source to a receiver. The sources are a person, elder person, or a book, or an encyclopedia, or dictionary, or TV, whatever it may be. The source is giving the information. The reader is the receiver. The viewer is the receiver. The reader is the receiver and viewer is the receiver here. Okay, next definition. Bann and Hawkins in 1988. He is telling some definition. You see in the textbook. In his feeling, the communication is here we are giving some conversation method and see the Papacia. She is asking, what is a communication? Here, the other person told it is the process of sending and receiving messages. Oh, very good. But how? In the feeling of Bann and Hawkins, it is through channels. You see? Then what type of channels? Channels which establish common meaning. The channels which are establishing common meaning, those are helpful for the communication, for the sending or receiving the messages. What is the common meaning? Between whom? Between a source and receiver. The common meaning is their thoughts, their feelings are in a same media, This is the common between a source and a receiver. Who is source? Source is information, an idea or thought given by the persons or books and others. Okay, who is receiver? Receiver who takes information or the receivers. Okay, now next, Dhamma and Bhatnagar in 1987. They are explaining about the mass communication and media. Those are explained by Dhamma and Bhatnagar. What is mass communication? Two or more individuals interact through so many phones, cell phones, TVs, and so many others, computers. All those are the using for the mass communication. And the media. We know about the media very good, very much. This is called the social interaction. Social interaction. What is social interaction? Social process in field of study and scientific investigation. The social process, not in charting, it is for the social process in the field of study and scientific investigations. These are media. Do you know the media? TV, Instagrams, and Facebook, YouTube. All those are medias. Through these medias, we are giving so much of information, and we are receiving so much of information from those in the field of study and scientific investigations and social interactions. Okay, now coming to communication revolution and communication explosion. A person in Andhra Pradesh is now he is able to approach the social media on state level, country level social media and international level social media, or directly to World Health Organization also. Nowadays, it is available for each and every person in remote areas also. The person who is in remote area also able to interact with the others in state-wise or country-wise or international-wise or directly international organizations like World Health Organization or trade communications. Very good. Now, communication has the one ability to communicate his ideas, has some characteristics. Those are one ability to communicate his ideas. Communicator has the ability. What ability he has? Ability to communicate his ideas. It is very important for each and every person. Having some common goals, communicator has to develop goals and common knowledge and ideas. Whatever the object he selected, he has to improve his common knowledge and ideas of the particular objective. To reach that objective, he has to develop. ability to influencing others. A communicator must having the good quality, ability to influencing the others, to attracting the others. It is necessary nowadays. Otherwise, we are not ability. We have no ability able to communicate with others. What is the good communication? Do you know what is the good communication? Select the true qualities or the good communication. Do you know the good communication? Giving, wishing, and good mannerisms, good body language, good language style. All those are the giving some attraction to and giving good communication. Here, giving orders only, this is not the good communication, because orders are given by us are able to reach the receiver or not, we don't know. So then, how the orders are? Not only the orders, but creating understanding. The order, how the orders are? Do you know? The orders must be understanding. Example, we tell the student, write a letter. We're just giving the write a letter. But a student has the doubts. What are the doubts? Do you know? What is the letter? From whom to? From whom to whom? What is the matter of the letter? How can I deal with the order of the letter? All those are the doubts from student wise. So you have to create the understanding also. And next, knowledge as well as helping people gain a clear view of meaning of the knowledge. Giving knowledge through communication is very important. But knowledge as well as helping people gain helping how to get the knowledge also you have to give. Then it will help the students to gain a clear view of meaning of the knowledge. Aims of imparting knowledge only. We are giving only the aims. You are telling only the knowledge. It is not understanding by the students well. Complicated characteristics. Good communication having the potential to overcoming the problems like ignorance, poverty, malnutrition, illiteracy, to the attainment of the goals of economic and social well-being. Good communication helps us from the ignorance and poverty also. Asking the help from others is, if you have the good language, then it will give the importance. Otherwise, it will not give the not important. This becomes poverty and malnutrition. The information giving from the nutrition board is very necessary, and you have to collect the nutritional values. So then only you get the good result. And illiteracy. To the attainment of the goals of academic, all these, good communication is very important. And social well-being also coming from good communication only. Communication through which we communicate: spoken verse, written verse, gestures, pictures, paintings, dance, etc. Communication through which we communicate: by speaking, by writing, and note taking, or all those are by written. We are taking the information from others. And gestures. Gestures are very important to know the thoughts and feelings of the other man. And pictures. Some pictures tells us so much of information. We have to get much more information from pictures and paintings and dance. Okay? Then come to the assignment. Write about the language across curriculum. And write its importance in language. Do you know the importance of the language? Now you have to try to write the importance in language. Try to importance of the lack in language. Write about the need for communication. And what is communication? Those are the assignments you have to write. Thank you.